In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple layered square icon in a vector drawing tool. To begin, open a vector drawing tool in Chrome, such as Google Drawings or Figma. Either one will work well for this task because both allow you to create clean geometric shapes and adjust their appearance with precision. Once the tool is open, make sure you have a blank canvas in front of you so you can clearly see the shapes you're building. The first thing you'll create is the outer shape. Select the rectangle or square tool and draw a perfect square on the canvas. To keep the proportions even, hold the Shift key while dragging if your software supports it. This helps lock the shape into equal width and height, which is important for getting a balanced final result. After placing the square, adjust the corners so they become rounded. You don't want the corners to be fully circular, just softly curved so the shape looks polished and modern. Next, change the fill color of this outer square to a light gray. A soft gray works best because it gives the shape a subtle, neutral look without overpowering the design. If your tool also shows a border or stroke around the square, you can leave it off unless it appears by default and distracts from the clean appearance. The goal here is a smooth, simple outer container with rounded corners and a light gray fill. Now move on to the inner shape. Create a second square and make it smaller than the first one. This square should sit inside the larger gray square, so resize it until there is a clear margin on all sides. Try to keep that spacing as even as possible, because centered alignment is what makes this type of design look intentional and professional. Once the smaller square is the right size, position it in the exact center of the larger shape. Most vector tools have alignment options that can help you center objects both horizontally and vertically, and using those tools can save time and improve accuracy. After it's centered, change the fill color of the inner square to white. This contrast between the white center and the light gray outer shape creates a clean layered effect that's simple but visually effective. At this point, your design should show a light gray rounded square with a smaller white square perfectly centered inside it. Before finishing, take a quick moment to zoom in and check the alignment, spacing, and corner smoothness so everything looks neat and balanced.